Hi! Welcome to the tutorial. Here, I'll teach you everything you'll need to know about how to play my game. To move around, you'll need to use the Move and Look buttons. You can see them on the chalkboards behind me. In this tutorial, all the buttons you'll need to press will be shown on these chalkboards, so be sure to read them. To continue, turn around and walk into the next room. It's good to walk, but it's fun to run. To go faster, press and hold the Run button while you move. Just make sure you don't run out of stamina. If you do run out of stamina, don't worry. Just stand still and catch your breath. Your stamina will fill back up in no time. To continue, you'll have to get past this conveyor belt. If you walk, you won't be fast enough. So run, and you'll make it. You can interact with all sorts of things around my super schoolhouse. If you want to interact with something, all you have to do is look at it and press the action button. Why don't you try it right now by opening this door? Oh, I heard that. When you do things that make noises, I'll hear them. And I'll use those noises to find you. When we're playing hide and seek, you'll have to try to be quiet if you want to win. Walk into the next room to continue the tutorial. The goal of my game is to find all the notebooks in each level. You'll find notebooks in classrooms like this one. To collect a notebook, just look at it and press the action button. To continue, grab that notebook and then step into the next room. Yeah, you got it! Go into the next room to continue the tutorial. Some notebooks are locked behind tricky activities, such as this one, my math machine. If you want to get these notebooks, you'll have to solve the activity first. To complete this activity, first you'll need to solve the math problem displayed on the front of the machine. Then you'll need to use the action button to pick up the balloon in the shape of the correct number and put it in the math machine. Once you submit an answer, the notebook will appear. Try it out. Looks like you got that problem wrong. Don't worry, you can still get the notebook. But when you're playing my game, getting problems wrong will make it harder. Yeah, you got it! Go into the next room to continue the tutorial. While you're exploring my super schoolhouse, you'll find all sorts of useful items. To pick up an item, just look at it and press the action button. Then it will be added to your inventory. To use an item, select it with the item selection buttons, and when it's highlighted, press the Use Item button. It's that easy! Every item does something different, so let's try a few. Grab this quarter and use it on the vending machine to get a soda. Great job! Now, spray that soda at me and watch what happens. Whoa! Did you see that? Sodas can push stuff around. Every item does something different, so be sure to learn what they all do. Go into the next room to continue the tutorial. Uh-oh. Looks like I'll need to find a button to open this door. Now, where could it be? I think the button is at the end of this maze. Good thing you have a map. Your map automatically fills out as you explore, so you won't get lost in there. Press and hold the Quick Map button to quickly view a map of the surrounding area. Press the Advanced Map button to view the entire map on your You Can Think pad. There, you can zoom in and out, scroll around, and place markers to keep track of cool stuff. It's pretty cool. Go on, I'm sure you can find that button. The button and then hop into this vent. It's a little shortcut I built. Would you look at that? The door's open now. Good job. Go into the next room to continue the tutorial. This looks like one tricky situation. You'll never be able to get across this conveyor belt by yourself, but I have an idea. Just grab some of these You Thought points with the action button, and then head into Johnny's store. He'll surely have an item you can buy that'll help you out. Why don't you buy some stickers? They can change the game in fun ways. Now that you've got some stickers, go use that machine with the glove. You can use it to apply the stickers to the back of your You Can Think pad.
Try again when you have more You Thought points. Looking like you ain't learning. Looking like you ain't learning. Looking like you ain't learning. Try again when you have more You Thought points. You can't afford that. Try again when you have more You Thought points. Looking like you...
Alright! Now the effects of the stickers you applied have been activated. Applied stickers will last until you beat a level, so use them wisely.
Looking like you ain't learning. Looking like you ain't learning.
That could do the trick. Guess who? You've spotted me! Pressing the Look Behind You button to get a look behind you can be super useful. When you're playing my game, you'll get to meet all my friends. They all like to do their own thing. For example, if the principal sees you breaking a school rule, he'll send you to detention. Don't tell him I told you this, but here in the Super Schoolhouse, it can be fun to break the school rules. For example, you can find some really cool items in the faculty-only rooms. When you're ready to meet the principal, press this big button. Then, watch what happens when you break a school rule in front of him. one of my friends does something different. So when you're playing my game, pay attention so you'll remember what makes everyone unique. The tutorial is almost over, but this is where the fun begins. Once you leave this room, we'll begin a game of hide and seek. I'll count down from 10 and then start seeking you. Meanwhile, you'll have to go find the rest of the notebooks. Try doing that without letting me tag you. It will surely be harder than you think. 10.
Left, right, down. Oh, that makes me sad. I wanna play with someone. Like you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, let's play. Let's play again. Let's play. Let's play.
Congratulations! You found all the notebooks! Once you found all the notebooks in a level, you can finish by leaving through one of the elevators. Congratulations! You finished my tutorial. Now you surely know all about how to play my game.